Hello everyone, my name is Harry and this is my review. So recently I just changed the speedometer cable, this one, which the old one was too rusty, so it was not working, and now I'm going to test it to see if the speedometer is working right now. So this is connected from here all the way up to the speedometer cable reader down there. If you can see that shiny aluminum connector, and then it comes directly to the speedometer cable, which is just right here. So right now I'm recording this video. I don't have a GoPro, so I will use this phone holder to mount my phone so that it can record how much speed I'm going. And if this speedometer is working, and then we will see if it's working. So right now I will mount my phone, and this I will just snap this like this to place my phone on top of this, and then I will direct to read it in the speedometer cable. So let us see if it's working. Okay, now we can see from 0 up to all of this speed. Let us see if it's working properly. There will be some slight changes due to the motorcycle vibration, but at least I want to aim so that we can see if it is working properly. Right now I'm running on 0 and I'm on neutral, and my motorcycle is idling. So I will engage the first gear, and then okay, I think it's working. It's close to 20 kilometers per hour. Okay guys, as you can see, the speedometer is working, so it's functional. I think there was no error at all when I was doing the change. Right now I'm doing I'm on fourth gear, and I'm doing about 30 kilometers per hour. I'm about going to 40 kilometers per hour. So this was just for test drive, and I think I would like to go to the competition to stop, and then I will end my review or my test ride. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss the update in future videos, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.